Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another acrylic pour. We've got through Christmas, had a pretty quiet one, family, friends, but very pleasant. Hope that you're all safe and well and that you didn't have any suffering, any loneliness over Christmas. That's a horrible thought for me, for people to be lonely. Okie doke. So hope that you did, as I always say, is ring a family member or a friend or a helpline. Rightio, let's get into this. I'm going to use some metallics on this particular one. I am going to do a background in just this creamy colour, sort of a creamy sandy colour. I'm going to have this as my background because I've got lots of metallics going in here, so I'm really hoping that they pop against this background. Well, we've got lots of metallics, I've got a few metallics, so just not too worried about going over the very edges at this point in time because my particular style might push them over the edge. Something pushed me over the edge, oh my goodness. Rightio. So don't have to do that too perfect because I've got a bit I've got a bit going on in this one. So I'm going to use some kind of puddles first. So I've got this burnt umber and I've put a little dab of black in it so it goes really dark, and also a bit of iridescent medium. Do you need to talk to me, John? So I'm gonna... Alright, hubby's just come in, said he doesn't need to talk to me.
You talk to me enough to...
Talk to you enough. Oh, thanks babe, that's nice.
You don't want to wear our ears out.
No, I don't want to wear your ears out. That's all good. Okay, so that's my little dollops. And now I'm going for the metallic copper in here. So I might do a little bit inside the burnt umber as well as separate.
What kind of concoction are you doing?
I'm doing a concoction, yeah. I'm going to try something, experiment like you do. Hope that it turns out. Yeah, John's currently building a third, or is it a fourth hovercraft?
Oh, this one's original. This one will be scratch.
This one's going to be a U-Butte John Cube original special that nobody else has ever done, isn't it, darling?
Yes.
So he's starting from scratch, building his own hovercraft, because in Australia they're not really... No, they're not as popular here as they are in the US, are they?
No, they use them more on the ice and snow.
Oh, that's right, yeah. I'll have to get you some video footage of John's hovercraft building. But this is metallic, 50% metallic silver, 50% gold, makes a beautiful, what I call champagne gold. Yeah, so that's a lovely one. And then there's just the metallic gold on its own, which I'll just whiz through. So these are lovely colours together. Now I think I just want to put a pop of colour in there. So I'm going to go with this like magenta. Just a little pop. It will be fine with these colours, I'm pretty sure. But it's going to add a little bit of a pop of colour in there. Why not? So I've got all those lovely metallics, so it will have a lovely shimmer to it. Right, yeah. And what I'm going to do today is actually going to try my comb, this big comb, to do a background for it. So I'm going to just literally I'm not sure whether to do the blows for, I think I'll do the blows afterwards. I'm going to literally, oh my goodness, oh that is, that's beautiful. That is such a lovely background. I was doing this with a different comb on a couple of pieces last week, and also doing it with a what you call it, a catalyst wedge. So I mean, I do want to leave some negative space, don't I? But that's so, this would be so good across a whole big canvas. So I'm going to just do a few. Oh, it leaves such a lovely effect. Wow, wow, wow. Right, I'm not going to do any more up there because that is beautiful, and actually that pink really does look great with it. So I'm going to just whiz over it with a heat wand. Wow, wow, wow. Pretty excited about this one. It's nice. It is nice. Now I'm going to give it a blow. So I'm going to oh my goodness, that is so nice, those two looks together. That's so lovely. That's really lovely. I'm gonna get my little, this is just a little straw. Wow, wow, wow. I need to bring you down. That's so gorgeous. Wow. Love it. I'm going to bring you down to have a look at this. Just look at that. That would just look so effective. Oh, just something simple like that across a huge canvas. Along with the colours are just beautiful. And it's shimmering because it's got so, so much metallic in it. Look at the lines. Wow, wow, wow. Really just love that effect. It is so simple, but very effective. And my bottom blowout, I think I'm going to do some rolls in that. The whole thing, it is really lovely. I am super happy with that. Love this, of playing with this effect. So I'll definitely do something more with this one. Okay, I'll get my balloon blown and let's go. Okay, you can absolutely leave it at that stage if you were doing it and that's what you'd like to do. You can absolutely leave it, but as I say to you, it's your art, your rules, your way. This is something I love to do, and it can add a lot of depth and softness to the piece, so I am certainly going to go ahead and do my balloon art magic, and I'm going to roll it. Wow, wow, wow. Probably not too much in here, but it kind of creates a feathery effect when you roll it, and not so much kisses. It just creates a different effect, and it is beautiful. I love it. I love it with the different elements in it. That particular comb with this balloon work. Oops, oh, I've gone up AWOL. That turned out made a mistake there, but I can correct it. You just play with it until you're happy with it. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way, and that is, I'm going to leave it. I've got to dug back and leave that now. Those colours are really, they're neutral really, because loads of people have those colours. Not that you have to have art to go with things in your home, but lots of people do like to have things that's going to obviously complement their home and not stick out like a sore thumb. It's just a little end of life balloon, as I call it there. Oh, just love it. I have not done that particular colour combo, I don't believe, and I just think it's beautiful. That pop of magenta, there you go. It looks super duper happy with that. Hope you like it. I'll do some close-up photos of it and let you have a look at the detail, but super fun, and really do hope you try it, because you can get some fantastic effects. Now I need to go big. I have got a bigger canvas there, so I really need to go big.